Rolling.
Hello.
Hello everybody.
Good afternoon. If you don't know me, I'm Miss Myriam.
And I am Mariana.
Happy San Patrick's Day.
Happy San Patrick's Day.
Today we are going to make a leprechaun mask. Do you like it?
Yes. Yes I do.
Right, I'm going to explain you what do we need. First, we need a paper plate.
But if you don't have a paper plate, I will be doing a simpler version with just white paper or construction paper.
And then also to make the hat, we are going to use construction paper. If you have green, will be great. If not,
we will be painting with crayons.
Let's start. Right, first, if you have the paper plate, we are going to cut around this circle, so you can use it as a mask. Let's get your scissors.
And if you don't have the paper plate, you're gonna need something round so as to make a circle on our plate. And then you're gonna have something looking like this. And then mummies and daddies can help creating a smaller circle within the first one. And you will be having something looking like this by now. If you fold in half, I'm sure that everybody can do this. And you cut.
Right. This is how it's going to look like.
Yeah.
Okay. When you finish cutting, this one, the circle, you're not going to need it. And recycle it. We're going to use, what color is it?
Orange.
We're going to use the orange paint and a paintbrush. Let's put some orange paint. We have there.
I'm right behind you, Myriam.
Okay, I'm going to start painting. Let's paint everything with orange, all over the plate. How's it going?
Good enough. Thanks for asking. So I think I'm done with my circle and I will proceed painting it orange with my crayon.
Okay. You can use also card, the brown card.
Here I have my orange crayon and in I go. It doesn't have to be perfect.
Almost done. All right, finished.
Oh, you're faster than me.
Right, we're gonna start while Mariana is almost finishing. Paint is faster. I wait for you.
Thank you.
Clean the paint.
And I will proceed doing the hats, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's do some hats.
Right. To make this hat, if you have a green paper, we are gonna draw like a big rectangle, more or less.
Okay.
So draw one like this.
Mummies and daddies can help as well.
Yeah. And then for this part is like another rectangle.
So a big rectangle and a smaller rectangle.
And do it like something like this. Again, we get the scissors and let's cut.
So we'll be repeating what we did with our paper circle. If we don't have construction paper, we will be doing it. We will be using a white sheet of paper, and we're going to be using our green crayon, our black crayon, and our yellow crayon. It looks like a hat, right?
Yeah, it does.
Yes, it does look like a hat.
Let's decorate our hats. If you have at home, you can use black construction paper to make this rectangle and these yellow things.
For the buckle.
Yeah, for the back. So again, we have to draw a rectangle, or just cut paper like this. And we're gonna use glue. We don't. Well, let's use this glue, or you can use glue sticks too.
What greens should I use, Myriam? Dark green or light green?
Dark.
Dark.
Yeah. And now we have to do a small rectangle to make it happen. You fold it and you cut a tiny rectangle inside. Mommies and daddies can help you to do that. But you need to put the scissors inside. Glue. How's it going?
You tell me.
It's lovely. And mine?
Well, it's very cute. Very nice.
Thank you. Last step.
Ooh, almost there.
Yeah. Let's clean up our face. Now we have the hat and the face. We are going to glue the hat
On the face.
On the face.
Okay.
This one is better if you leave the plate maybe for an hour, half an hour until it's dry. I'm gonna try now. It's a little bit wet.
You don't have to use a white glue, like your glue stick for the paper version will absolutely work.
Yeah, even for the construction paper, it's fine. You don't need this white glue.
So until you're done, I'm gonna go over my painting.
Tell me when you're ready.
Oh, are we done?
Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes.
Let's show our mask. And now we are two leprechauns.
Yes, we are.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day. Happy St. Patrick's, guys.